Now, first things first, you can say from equation, let's call this equation 2 and call this equation 1, okay? So we can say from equation 2 that A is equal to 5 over B, okay? So we replace A as 5 over B in equation 1, we'll have 5 over B plus B is equal to 5. Multiply each term by B, we have 5 over B times B is 5, plus 5 over B times B, plus B times B is B squared rather, to be equal to B times 5 is 5B, so that we have B squared minus 5B plus 5 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation and cannot be solved by factorization, meaning we can use the quadratic formula. Okay, we have that B here. Remember, this is not the same B as the B in the quadratic formula. B here will be equal to minus, now this is the coefficient of B, okay? So this is minus times minus 5 is plus 5, okay? Plus 5 plus or minus square root of, okay, so we have this squared is 25 minus 4 times 5 is 20 times 1 is 20, okay, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Moving on from here, we now have that B will be equal to 5 plus or minus root of 5 divided by 2, okay? But recall that A is equal to 5 over B, okay? Now, from here we can now say that our A, when B is equal to 5 plus root 5 over 2, we now have that our A will be equal to 5 divided by 5 plus root of 5 all over 2. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 plus root of 5. Okay? Now moving on from here, we now have that our A is equal to 5 times 2 is 10 divided by 5 plus root 5. Now let's rationalize this denominator, okay? Let's make this denominator rational, that's removing the square root sign from the denominator. And how do we do this? We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of this will be equal to 5 minus root of 5. So we'll multiply here by 5 minus root of 5. I'll multiply here by 5 minus root of 5. Now, this will be equal to 10 into 5 minus root of 5, okay, divided by 5 squared, because this is difference of 2 squares if you look at it closely. 5 squared is 25, root of 5 squared is 5, okay, and this is equal to 5 minus root of 5 multiplied by 10, okay, divided by 25 minus 5 is 20. Moving on from here, we can say let's strike this and strike this. So we have that this is equal to 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2, and this is what our A is equal to. When B is equal to root of 5 divided by 2. Okay? Now, invariably, it means that when A is equal to 5 plus root of 5 divided by 2, comma, B will be equal to 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2. Okay? And this gives us the answers to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.